got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
the journey starts today.
Anyway, I'm stopping bags like the TSA.
Ooh. Alright.
Listen up, you little bitches, it's a PSA.
So hello everyone, it's Salvador and I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome to my channel. Honey, I love you. I'll be like how are you guys doing, honey? Guess what? I got a video for you guys. Let's see. Uncle Roger is out of the video. You guys know it's Sunday, bitches. So what happens on Sunday?
An iPhone.
Oh yes, see, even my speaker is ready for you guys. Okay, Uncle Roger, what did you do? Let's see. My iPhone is like, no bitch, I am here. Okay, let's see. What did he do? Oh, stop making food in coffee maker. Wait, what? You guys are lying. Hold on now. Wait, you're lying.
Uncle Roger thought induction stove
No.
is the worst thing you can cook on, but some people out there are animal and they cook food in coffee maker.
I hate the smell of coffee. I cannot even
Coffee maker.
be around coffee, more or less
If
make
you're
food with it.
traveling and you can't afford food, maybe the solution is
lying.
not coffee maker. Maybe solution is don't travel.
Right, or eat
Hello, niece
out.
and nephew, it's Uncle Roger. Hotel is terrible place. If you've been to hotel, Uncle Roger guarantees they don't wash the coffee maker at all. And now in this video,
I
this
don't drink
niece
coffee
here,
ever,
she's
so-
making a whole meal in coffee maker. Hiya.
You're
like
kidding.
you want to get diarrhea
You guys
on
are
purpose.
playing too much.
Everybody is disgusting in hotel room.
Ew.
Because not our house, we don't give shit. We
Really?
treat hotel room like
Not me.
how to basic treat his house. Remember,
Oh,
this
hell
just
no.
comedy video. Uncle Roger just joking around. Don't go attack anyone after this. Just laugh.
I made a boiled egg in a coffee maker in a hotel.
Oh, she's
Ordering
pretty.
room service at
She's
hotels
very
can be
pretty.
pretty expensive, and when you
She
travel
is.
often, sometimes you just crave home cooked food.
What?
Oh, she's
This
giving
your
me makeup
home cooked
flawlessness,
food?
bitch.
What kind of broken family you come from? Your mother
Stop.
making food in coffee maker.
That makes no
you need
sense,
to get
though.
new mother. I think this girl
No.
is psycho.
First, here's some items that are easy to carry in your luggage. Instant oatmeal packets, instant ramen.
You know what easier to carry than all those things? Cash.
God.
You can use this to buy
Right.
food instead of making it in coffee
What did I
maker.
say? Eat out?
Flour tortillas,
No, you're
small
kidding.
paper plates, aluminum foil sheets, and plastic cutlery.
fucking
All
lying.
these items fit perfectly into one food storage bag and nicely in
Wait,
That looks
what?
like most depressing holiday ever. Also, imagine if you get stopped at custom carrying.
And they open your bag. This is what they will see.
Uncle Roger rather get stopped for carrying white powder, and by white powder I mean MSG.
Oh,
Once you arrive at your destination, you can hit up a local convenience store or grocery and pick up small items like
I'm
apples
done.
and some bacon.
no.
excuse me? Excuse me?
Wait, what?
Once you arrive at your destination, you can hit up a local convenience store or grocery.
So you're gonna
So why
go
did
to
you get-
store anyway?
Why?
So what do you just get food from store? Why bother packing that sad
You all do
food
too much.
in bag? What
Yeah.
the logic? Hi.
Seriously.
Oatmeal.
And she's so
Place instant oatmeal
serious.
in a coffee maker carafe. Fill the reservoir with filtered water and turn it on.
You're fucking
So
lying.
sad.
Sit for a bit. Pro tip, if your room offers complimentary tea bags, just add it to your oatmeal for some extra flavor.
Ew, who
She's
adds
so
tea bag to
serious.
oatmeal? Why you want your oat to
But she's too
taste
pretty
like
for
Earl
this. I'm
Grey
sorry.
tea? Oatmeal is the saddest food ever. It's so sad, even MSG cannot save it. It like white people congee. Congee is one of Uncle Roger's favorite dish ever.
This is what-
It's a classic Chinese breakfast dish or something you eat when you sick. That right?
Yes.
In Asia,
My
when
housemate
you
does
sick,
it a
you
lot.
just eat congee. Nobody need doctor. Mom, I have COVID. Just eat congee.
It offers complimentary tea bags. Just add it to your oatmeal for some extra flavor.
I love this babe.
Yes,
Oh, she
So
said.
dirty, this needs, but being teabagged by someone still more hygienic.
Don't you know what teabagging is, honey?
Sorry, children. Hey, look at that.
I also love a little
So sad.
What the hell?
I guess
Turn on the
boiling egg okay.
Allow the eggs to sit for about 7 to 10 minutes. Peel and enjoy. For some
This is a
ramen,
lot of work.
place the packet contents into the
No, you're
carafe.
fucking lying.
Add, you guessed it, filtered water.
You're
Put it
fucking
on.
So
lying.
she making instant noodle now. Who paired oatmeal with instant noodle? What is...
Okay, what type of... Yes.
Mix and enjoy straight out of the carafe. Make sure you clean the carafe really well with some soap and water afterwards. Here's what you can make with an iron.
Oh,
So
what
she's gonna destroy the coffee maker. Now she's gonna destroy the iron.
Right.
Form an iron sheet pan.
Okay, all hotels, you have to be careful when you see someone like her come in.
Packing for trip
Because-
going okay. I pack shoe, I pack jean, I
This
pack
is
my
not...
underwear.
Yeah, she
Feel like
stretches
I'm
the
missing
dollar, honey.
something. I know.
I'm gonna stretch the fucking
Travel
dollar.
essential.
Allow the iron to heat up and you can cook items like bacon.
You're fucking
Using the
lying.
bacon fat to fry an egg. You just need a little bit of patience.
Wait,
What
so
the
you have
hell?
to holding the iron this whole time? How much free time this woman
Oh, she has a
Are you
lot.
unemployed or something?
Yeah, she has a lot
Make a
of
freaky
food.
quesadilla on an ironing board.
No.
Then tortilla. Spread on the cheese and iron it out.
Someone will eat this.
Iron, not replacement for real fire. You want to cook, use the real fire.
I
You
don't
want
get
to
it.
wok hay, no such thing as iron hay. Also, when business people, they actually want to use
know.
iron to iron their shirt.
Right.
And now they smell
It
like
smell of
bacon and
right.
tortilla. This
And-
woman gonna get them fired.
Yeah.
Feeling fancy? Use a coffee maker to make actual
I'll be
coffee
scared
this
if
time.
she's coming and I'm walking out like, nope.
And make yourself an avocado dessert. I may not be in a suite, but I'm sure living the sweet life.
She has a lot of time on her hands.
You can tell the exact moment she regret her decision. She trying hard to pretend that it tastes good, but Uncle Roger bet after camera stopped rolling, she just go pleh, pleh, pleh. Secretly she
I'm
just died
confused.
inside. But it not only her. See, this another
there's another
picture.
one.
Can this chef make 3-course meal in coffee maker? Hiya, why you all torturing Uncle Roger like that?
Why? I'm Alexis and I'm the Senior Food Specialist here at Tasty.
She's a what now?
Oh,
No,
you can leave
A
it.
specialist that will
take
use
her
these
rice
stuffs.
cooker.
Highlight trouble, puffing on the mirrors.
Alright.
The man ain't ever seen the booty like this.
I don't drink coffee, and I think
Yes, I
You
hate
don't drink coffee.
Yes.
So how you wake up? Is it just the voices in your head?
No,
It feels
I'm
fine.
naturally very
So I think we should
energetic.
go ahead and
I've
add
never
the
done
shrimp.
coffee. The smell makes me
So we just want to
dizzy.
make sure that the shrimp is cooked
So I
through.
can, my guests,
You-
they
it's
don't, they
actually
can never
turning
come in
pink.
with coffee
You
as
can see
they
it
cover it.
It turning pink
Yeah.
because it embarrassed to be seen with you.
Yeah,
if
coffee.
Uncle Roger hang
Good
out
luck
with
to you guys
women
that can
who put
drink it.
seafood in coffee maker, I turn pink also. Auntie Helen have new boyfriend now, and I hope her new boyfriend only make food for her in coffee maker because that's all she deserves.
Coffee
I'm
fucking
allowed to
maker?
say, like, give myself a pat on the back, but this is really good.
No, you're not serious.
She gonna make salmon in coffee maker.
Next,
What the hell is going on here?
Salmon. It needs to be enough oil to submerge the salmon.
Ah, she making salmon confit.
Salmon down so that
Hold
it'll
on, there'll
actually
be
fit
oil in it.
in the coffee pot. I'm gonna infuse the oil with some peppercorns, lemon rinds.
Okay, decent ingredient.
In coffee
I'm getting the
maker?
oil to about 180. Gonna add the salmon in. So
Am I being pumped right now?
this looks really gross. The fat is clearly leaving the salmon.
Ew! You're right, it gross.
Okay, you guys are
eating
crazy.
salmon, and you should leave kitchen.
Hold on.
Salmon is beautiful fish, and you treat it like this. It look like the salmon mutating. It trying to grow leg so it can escape from there.
People have so much time on their hands to create.
So, niece and nephew, this is not fat. This is a protein in salmon called albumin. And when you cook salmon too hot, it all come out like this. It make Uncle Roger put my leg down from chair. I think because in this coffee maker, you can't control temperature. The heating at bottom, so bottom part hotter than top. Uncle Roger don't know why she used thermometer to measure temperature. You can't even control that shit.
But it looks like, oh my god, it looks like it's covered in warts. There's like little balls of fat. There's like...
That her little dance when she see gross thing.
Oh. Okay.
I'm confused.
I don't know.
Look just like Auntie Helen before makeup.
I'm glad my guess she's done and she's gone. She says this, she'll be like,
On to part 2. So for this, I'm gonna
Lisa will be like, wait, what now?
beans. I just putting beans in a coffee pot feels wrong.
What? What'd she say? What'd she say?
I just putting beans in a coffee pot feels wrong.
Putting bean in
I don't
coffee
understand
pot
this.
feel wrong, but putting prawn and salmon in there feel
All this
right.
stuff.
What this woman thinking? Uncle Roger would hate to be her roommate. Good morning. Time for my coffee.
It's right. It's salmon.
Why coffee tastes like fish? Did you make salmon again?
What did I say?
No.
Tomatoes can blacken and kind of...
Run for your life, tomato. They're gonna
What the
torture
hell?
you.
Hopefully they can get some char. Ooh! Okay, there's some sound.
Hold on.
Jamie Oliver.
She's serious. That's what baffles me. She's actually serious?
There's a little bit of...
Just that not enough color.
I never knew what it's like not to have flavor.
I mean, I'm not a, but I'm a.
I'm almost done, so
What the
I'm gonna
fuck is this?
text some friends, see if they want to come up and try it, and...
You're gonna text
She
your
should have eaten the tomato raw at this point.
Other people to eat this bullshit.
And they will?
If your friend invite you to their place to eat coffee maker food, they not friend.
I feel like they're gonna have some inclination to some things up, but
We're gonna have some
I
girl.
don't think they would guess a coffee maker.
Hmm?
Course is here!
Okay, her voice is most annoying voice Uncle Roger ever hear. I changed my mind. She deserves to
Honey.
eat coffee maker food.
Come work with my neighbor, and then you hear this voice all the time, and you're like, yay! Yeah,
Or Uncle Roger here.
yeah.
We've got
I'm now used to it because when I hear it, I'm like, ah. But now I'm like, okay.
Steamed asparagus ribbons and...
So I work on days that they don't work here. I work those days instead. Yeah, it's too much of it.
You like it? Hiya,
She can cook.
Where your taste bud?
This challenge
She can cook and she has
to
nice
make
blonde,
all these 3
eyes
courses
gold blonde.
with a twist.
What is it? Oh god.
I made all 3 courses using only a coffee maker.
Stop! Agree, stop
She
making
can
food
cook,
in
so
coffee
of
maker.
course she's impressed.
I hope her new boyfriend always cook for her. I hope Auntie Helen new boyfriend always cook
Oh,
food
if
for her in
my
coffee.
neighbor is there, this is the voice you will hear. But in a way like, oh, I'm better, you know, a lot of her guests are like that too, so I'm used to it. Not really. I put on my hair
That's all I got.
white noise to cancel that noise out.
If they invite you over for coffee maker food, they not
don't
friend.
fucking get
Friends
this.
don't try to give friend diarrhea.
Yeah.
Nieces and nephews, feel free to Photoshop this still. It can be an Uncle Roger meme, you know, right? Just put text on it.
What?
And by white powder, I mean MSG. You can clearly tell I've never done coke before.
Same here. I wouldn't even want to be around it or be around. Nope. It's like I'm in an alternate universe with what I just saw. What's wrong with people? Please tell me because I don't understand this. We are now cooking with coffee fucking maker? Honey, you can try that with my wow. If he gets this, he'll be like, welcome to my world, honey. I'm glad everyone in the house does not have flavor, but the other we both. Oof, ciao. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. What the fuck is this? No, with them fucking coffee maker? Oh, poor Uncle Roger. No, you guys, I'll see you guys soon. What the hell?
Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that